Tower number 6, we are moving. 4 Alpha, repeat 4 Alpha. Windows seat is teams on all sides.
Copy that. Speed.
238 kilometers per hour and holding steady.
You all right over there?
I do love capping me some bad guys. Wait. Civilian in play, I repeat, civilian in play. Clear.
Confirm.
Confirmed. Clear. Go to green. We shipping to the same place?
Yes, sir.
All right. That was your best ever. I was impressed.
Where'd I hit him?
Neck. On a moving train.
Took a video?
Yeah, I took video, man. Me and everybody else, look.
Delete it.
Henry, come on, listen. 4 shooters whiffed on this guy before he got the call. All right, 4. All of them studs. And you ring them up. It was beautiful, all right? I got emotional, a tear fell.
Delete it.
I'll delete it. All right.
Can't do this.
What's happening, brother?
All right.
I got him in his neck, but I was aiming at his head. Other lines of work, you can lose a step, not this one.
You're still the best we got. Best anyone's got. Believe me, I keep track. Not a soda, not today.
Meaning?
Give me a beer.
Are you sure?
Are you really retiring?
Yes, sir.
Then I'm sure.
Okay. A lot of guys can shoot, Del.
They aren't you. They don't have the history you do.
Yeah, I think the history might be the problem.
Oh, Henry. We've been through a lot together, you and me. Made the world safer. I'm just not gonna trust a new guy like I trust you.
There was a kid, beautiful little girl, right next to him. If I'm 6 inches off, she's dead. You understand? This time, I got lucky. I didn't feel the shot. I mean, not like I should have. 72 kills, Del. That shit starts to mess with you a little bit. Deep down, it's like my soul is hurt. I just want some peace.
So what do I do now?
Wish me well.